Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online savings account with Ally Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start an online savings account with Ally Bank, first, visit the Ally Bank website. Look for the Open Account button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the button to initiate the account opening process. Choose Savings Account from the list of available options. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your email address for account-related communication. Create a strong password to secure your online access. After that, you may be asked to answer a few security questions for added protection. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you agree to the terms, you'll be directed to the funding section. Here, choose how you would like to fund your new account. You can transfer funds from another bank account or set up an initial deposit. Provide the necessary bank details if you're transferring funds from an existing account. If you prefer, you can also deposit a physical check by following the instructions provided. After confirming your funding method, double-check all the information you've entered. When you're ready, click on the Submit button to finalize your application. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Follow any additional instructions in the email to verify your identity, if required. Once your account is open, log into your Ally Bank account using your credentials. You can now start managing your savings and explore features like setting up automatic transfers. That's it. You are now set up with your new online savings account at Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.